You might not believe this at first, but I'm about to tell you how I made viral, faceless videos using just one single AI prompt. No camera, no editing, no fancy skills. Just one prompt, and within days, I was watching my content blow up across platforms. It sounds impossible, right? But in the new world of AI, it's not only possible, it's happening every single day. We are entering a time when the tools we use can do almost everything for us. You don't need to film, speak, or even appear on screen. You can create cinematic, emotional, and viral videos that look like they came straight from a professional studio, all with one command. And the craziest part, I didn't even spend $1 to get started. So today, I'll show you exactly how I did it. The same lazy, powerful, step-by-step method you can use to make your own viral, faceless videos from one AI prompt. But before we dive in, if you love learning about AI, smart income, and future-proof ways to grow online, make sure to subscribe to our channel, where we teach you how to use technology to earn smarter, not harder. Now, let's get into how one AI prompt changed everything. Part 1, the moment it clicked. I was scrolling through YouTube one night, half bored, half curious. Every video I clicked seemed to follow the same pattern: flashy editing, over-the-top intros, someone talking to a camera for 10 minutes straight, and then it hit me. What if I could skip all of that? What if I could create something powerful, emotional, and viral without even showing my face? I had seen faceless channels before: motivational pages, storytelling accounts, cinematic shorts. They were pulling in millions of views. But I always thought it must take a team to make them. Writers, editors, voice actors, designers. Turns out it doesn't. Because then I discovered Sora 2, the AI that turns text into full cinematic video. You write a prompt, and it gives you footage that looks like a movie. Scene, shadows, lighting, movement, everything. And that's when I decided to test a crazy idea. Could I go viral using just one AI prompt? Part 2. The experiment. I didn't want to overthink it. So I opened Sora 2 and typed this one line: a man walking alone through a dark, rainy city, thinking about all the times he failed before success. That was it. Just one sentence. Within seconds, Sora 2 generated a 30-second cinematic video rain dripping off neon lights, a man's silhouette moving through reflections, every frame perfectly composed. I added a simple AI voiceover that said, "Every successful person you admire once walked alone in silence, failing quietly until the world noticed." Then I dropped in a soft background track, free music from an online library, and exported the video. The total time? 9 minutes. I uploaded it to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels with the caption, "When you feel like giving up, remember this." That's all. No hashtags, no ads, just pure storytelling and emotion powered entirely by AI. And within hours, the numbers started climbing. Part 3, the results that shocked me. The first hour, 200 views, then 1,000, then 10,000. By the end of the first day, the video had over 250,000 views on TikTok and 60,000 on YouTube Shorts. And here's the best part, the comments. People thought it was real. They said, "This feels like a scene from a movie I can't remember. I needed this today. How did you film this? The quality is insane." They had no idea it was AI generated. And that's when I realized something powerful. The world doesn't care who made it. They care how it makes them feel. That single video brought in thousands of new followers across platforms, and it all started with one AI prompt. Part 4, how you can do the same. Let me break down the process for you so you can recreate this. This method works whether you want to inspire, teach, entertain, or even promote something. Step 1. Pick a strong emotional concept. You can't go viral without emotion. Your video needs to make people feel something: sadness, hope, power, nostalgia, curiosity, or peace. Think of simple but universal themes like never giving up, losing everything and starting over, dreams versus reality, time, regret, or redemption. Write a short sentence that paints a picture. Example prompts: a woman sitting by the ocean, remembering the people she lost; a young boy staring at the stars, dreaming of a better life; a soldier returning home to silence. Keep it short, keep it emotional. Step 2. Use Sora 2 to bring it to life. Feed that sentence into Sora 2. Let the AI generate your cinematic video. The beauty of Sora 2 is that it automatically handles lighting, weather, perspective, and motion. You get professional-looking scenes without ever touching a camera. If your clip isn't perfect, tweak your prompt slightly. Add words like realistic, cinematic, or slow motion. Step 3. Add narration with emotion. Use a free AI voice tool to record a short, powerful line. You can also record your own voice if you prefer, just keep it soft and emotional. Here's a secret: silence works too. Sometimes leaving a pause between sentences adds tension and depth. Step 4. Add simple background music. You can use royalty-free cinematic or piano music from sites like Mixkit or Pixabay. Choose something that fits the emotion of your scene, then use a basic video editor like CapCut or Descript to combine everything. Step 5. Post with intention. When uploading, don't overthink the title. Use something simple but relatable. When nobody believes in you, he walked alone, but not forever. The pain before success. Keep the caption short. Let the story breathe. Part 5. Why this works so well. People scroll through thousands of videos every day, but their brain always stops. For one thing, emotion plus beauty. When your AI-generated video looks cinematic and carries a short, deep message, it breaks through the noise. Most content online screams for attention. Yours whispers, and that's why it works. Plus, faceless videos have a mysterious quality. Viewers project themselves into the story. They don't see you, they see themselves. That's what makes them viral. And since Sora 2 makes creating effortless, you can test 10 ideas a day without stress. The more emotional stories you release, the higher your chance of going viral. Part 6. How to turn virality into income. Now that you know how to make your videos viral, let's talk about how to make money from them. There are 4 major ways. 1. YouTube monetization. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Faceless channels with motivational or story-driven content often get high watch time because people rewatch them. 2. Affiliate link. You can place affiliate links in your video descriptions, maybe a link to a productivity app, a book, or a course related to your topic. 3. Sponsorships. Once your videos start getting views, small brands will pay for mention. Even a 15-second shout-out in a video can earn you hundreds. 4. Selling AI-generated videos. Here's the sneaky secret. You can sell your AI-generated clips to businesses or creators who need them. Shorts, ads, and reels are in high demand right now. You could easily earn hundreds per project, and since it's AI-generated, your time investment is almost nothing. Part 7. The lazy creator's advantage. Let's be honest, most people give up on YouTube or TikTok because they think they need to hustle nonstop. But with AI, that's not true anymore. When you master prompting, you master leverage. You can literally make 10 different viral-style videos in one day by changing your prompts slightly. Example, Prompt 1, a man walking alone in a rainy city. Prompt 2, a woman walking alone through a snowy forest. Prompt 3, a soldier walking alone through the ruins of war. Each one tells a new story, but the structure stays the same: emotional, faceless, cinematic. Post them consistently, and one of them will hit the algorithm hard. The key isn't perfection. The key is volume and emotion. Part 8. The secret formula for viral prompts. Want to know what makes one AI prompt go viral while another flops? Here's the pattern I discovered after testing dozens of videos. 1. A lone subject. Viewers connect deeply with solitary figures. It represents personal struggle. 2. A visual contrast. Light versus dark, calm versus chaos, hope versus pain contrast. Draws attention. 3. Movement. Static scenes rarely go viral. Movement adds life. 4. Emotional depth. Even if your video has no dialogue, make it feel heavy or hopeful. 5. Relatable message. The caption must connect instantly. Example, he lost everything, but he didn't lose himself. That line can carry an entire story. Part 9. Building momentum. After my first viral video, I used the same system to create more. Some did okay, some exploded. One video about letting go of your past hit 1.3 million views in 48 hours. Another about starting over at 30 brought 20,000 new followers overnight. All of them came from AI prompts under 15 words long. The best part? I didn't burn out. While other creators spent days filming and editing, I was sipping coffee, writing ideas, and watching the AI do all the work. This is what I call smart creativity, not working harder, just using better tools. Part 10. The future of viral creation. AI is changing everything. We're moving from creators who do everything manually to creators who guide machines that do the work for them. The playing field has been leveled. Now it's not about who has the best equipment or who looks best on camera. It's about who has the best ideas. And if you can describe your idea in a single, powerful sentence, you can create viral videos from anywhere in the world. That's why this isn't just a trend, it's a revolution. People who learn to master AI prompting today will dominate tomorrow's content world. So here's the truth. You don't need followers, money, or even a camera to go viral anymore. You just need a good idea and one bold AI prompt to bring it to life. It worked for me, and it can work for you too. Start small. Experiment. Keep your videos short, emotional, and faceless. Let the AI do the heavy lifting, and watch how your creativity and your views explode. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. where we reveal the smartest, easiest, and most exciting ways to use AI to build real success online. Because sometimes the simplest idea, one single prompt can change everything.